Kia ora everyone, I'm Donnalouise and thanks so much for being here. Today we're going to continue our journey building Visionaria. This is Clementoni's 13,224-piece jigsaw puzzle titled Visionaria by the artist Giacomo Moresi. I love it. I am enjoying this series so much. A few things that I've mentioned before. It's one continuous image. It has a color gradient, very different from any large-scale jigsaw puzzle I've done before. It's divided into 6 bags of 2,204 pieces, which I feel is manageable. It's there. My preferred size, I love a 500-piece jigsaw puzzle for fun, a 1,000-piece. Over that, it can be overwhelming, but so far I'm really enjoying this, just taking my time building it, and it hasn't felt overwhelming at all. So the 6 bags are divided like the top is A, B, C, and then D, E, F. I've already done, I think, 5 videos so far in this series, and I've completed bag A and D, B, and then in the last video, you saw me start bag E. In this video, I finish bag E, and I move on to what I think is the most difficult section in the jigsaw puzzle, bag C, which is right here. It just has a lot of greens, a lot of whites, some browns, not too much color variation. I am, however, pleased with how much I've been able to do. So I'm trying to focus on like small details and changes in the greenery. At least there's different types of leaves and different colors. I wear contacts, and so I did pull out my reading glasses because I'm farsighted. So I do have a pair of like +1 reading glasses, and I notice if I put them on and I use them while puzzling because things are close up, it really does help, especially since the poster, it's small for over 2,000 pieces, but I find myself, like if I look up at the TV or something else, I have to move the glasses because then it's too blurry far away. But it does help close up. I'll probably bring them to Worlds, actually, because they could come in handy. So I'm working on this upper corner right here. It's lots of fun. Enjoy the time lapse, and we'll come back and have a chat afterwards. You can see on the table I have just a little puzzle dust. It's not even that significant. For over 2,000 pieces, I'm quite impressed with this jigsaw puzzle. I'm enjoying the Clementoni brand. I like the pieces, very little to no glare, nice matte finish, just so much fun. And looking at it, I'm quite pleased with how much I've been able to do. I have the more difficult sections left, the white with greens, and greenery. But hopefully I can get there. Now, I will use a previous section and the repeat cut pattern if I need to. I used it a bit for bag E in the grass mossy area, but to tell you the truth, it was only when I felt a little stuck, I would look, figure out what the next piece would be, and then I would get going again. I'm actually quite pleased I've been able to do this much without using the repeat cut pattern, because there truly is variety of shades, of colors, and if you just take your time, you know, it's getting there, it's working. A lot of piece shape sorting. So in this video, you saw me work for 11 hours and 27 minutes. My overall total on the jigsaw puzzle, oh, and also in that video, Paige helped me for like 30 minutes, so I doubled that time. My overall now total on this jigsaw puzzle is 66 hours and 5 minutes. I'm hoping to finish it in under 90 hours. I actually think it's possible now, because if we look at the last section, this lower corner here, I don't think it's going to be anywhere near as difficult as this upper corner. I think I'll be able, the next video will probably maybe be just finishing this section. So that would be video 7, because I think this is video 6. And then maybe video 8 could be the last section if I can complete it all in one go. And then one final video showing you how I tape it and putting it up on the wall at the jigsaw puzzle display. I hope I can do that all before I leave for my trip. I would really, really like to get that done. I'm getting quite busy, so I'm going to move down to probably one video a week. Apologies, but you're going to have so much content while I'm away. I will try to live stream and post some short videos, and definitely after the competition, there'll be plenty of recap videos, and also make sure to watch all the live streams on the World Jigsaw Puzzle Federation's YouTube page. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this. I really am. It's beautiful. It's lovely. I can't wait to get it up on the wall. Question for you all. Does anyone know the name of these birds? Like, I know that's an owl. I don't know what type of owl. Is it just a brown owl or a barn owl? I'm not sure. But I have no idea what these beautiful, colorful blue birds are called. If you do know the name of that bird, please leave it down below, because it's hard to Google. You know, unless I did some sort of image search, I have no idea what type of bird that is. So leave your comments below. Let me know if you know what the name of that bird is. Thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate every one of you being here. I hope you're enjoying this series. I'll get cracking on to trying to finish this one up. Oh, so much white and green. Just white and green left. I always do all the easy parts first. Well, that's on me. And until next time, ciao.